welcome back to my channel as always. So I just thought I'd make this series called Baking with Anvitha, where I share lots of my recipes with you guys. And I can't really bake that well, but they're still edible. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I make different stuff like flapjacks, like the ones from the UK. Not the American things. I think they're like pancakes in America, but flapjacks and the ones made of oats, and cakes, cookies and biscuits, all kinds of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this series, and today is going to be like episode 1, which is, which is honey flapjacks. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make them, so let's get into the video. Basically, I'm just attempting to make them. These are all of my own versions and things and stuff I find off the internet, I guess. 5 tablespoons of honey, 100 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of clarified butter, 200 grams of oats, and some chunks of chocolate. So I'm going to be using a medium-sized saucepan. And to this I'm going to add my brown sugar. I'm just going to break it up a bit first with the spoon. And I'm going to be adding my honey in. Just spoon it all in, every last bit. Now I'm going to use my whisk and just mix it all up. Make sure they're well combined. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Now I'm going to add my butter to this. And I'm going to add my clarified butter as well. Add it all in. And give that a really good mix so they're all incorporated. Now you want to heat that on the stove for a while until all of the liquids have melted. Just mix it all up. Now all the liquids are melted. So to this I'm going to be adding half of my oats, so add 100 grams first. And then mix that. And then add the rest of the oats. When your mixture is well combined, take it off the stove. Now I'm going to be adding my chocolate chunks. You could add anything like dry fruits, raisins, whatever you like. But I'm going to use chunks of chocolate. Now I'm going to be taking a cake tin and lining it with some parchment. So you can just put it on top really. Now spoon your flapjack mixture into it. So spoon your mixture in and flatten it all down so it's nice and even. After you've done that, put it in the fridge to harden for a while. Then take a knife, I'm using a palette knife, and just slice it up into squares. Oops. All done. Now your delicious flapjacks are ready for serving. Enjoy!